In this video, I'm going to show you the only 7 marketing funnels that you'll ever need. These funnels worked for me and my clients selling both info and physical products. Hi, my name is Andrew Zemmers and you're watching What Works in Marketing YouTube channel. This is the place where you get proven tactics, strategies, and new and exciting findings in digital marketing so you can finally grow your online business and live the life you want. There are many different types of marketing funnels, and lots of entrepreneurs and marketers like to get fancy when it comes to building funnels. In my 11-year career as a marketer, I've seen and I've built more funnels than I could count. And I found these 7 marketing funnel types to still be working effectively. So let's take a look. Number 1 is lead magnet to core offer. You basically start with a freebie, which can be PDF, checklist, free resource of any kind. You put this freebie in an ad or email marketing sequence or in your social links, and you push people from this freebie towards the core product or to entry product. It's a pretty basic funnel, and for some businesses and actually for some of my clients, this funnel still works. Funnel number 2 is webinar funnel. Basically, it's the same freebie as in funnel number 1, but this time the freebie is way more valuable. In this case, it's a free training, maybe a masterclass, maybe some kind of webinar, call it however you like. And then in this free resource, in this webinar or free training, you slowly lead your audience towards the core product. Funnel number 3 is mini class funnel. It's pretty similar to webinar funnel, but in this case, in mini class funnel, you don't have just one free lesson or one free webinar. In this funnel, you have a series of free videos that leads towards a core product. It's always worth testing out. If you have one webinar or one course that you want to run as a masterclass or as a webinar, try to slice it up and test if the webinar or mini series, it can be basically the same content, but in case number 1, it's not sliced. In case number 2, it's sliced in different parts, and run both and test whatever works the best. Funnel number 4 is a direct sale. I think this is the oldest funnel and the classical advertising funnel. Basically, from an ad or from an email, you push people towards the entry-level product or core product. For many businesses, this is the only funnel that they are using. The only thing with a direct sale funnel is it only works with a proven offer, something that you've already tested and something you know works. If you're just starting out, if you're just launching some kind of new product or new offer, I don't suggest starting with direct sale funnel, especially when it comes to selling this product or promoting this product to cold audience, meaning people who don't know you yet. If you already have a funnel or offer that's been working very well, why not to try a direct sale funnel? Marketing funnel number 5 is lead magnet / free service to a sales call. We've all seen this one a lot, and it's very popular in different kind of B2B services, or it's very useful if you're selling a coaching program. It usually starts with some kind of free audit or free service or free session or maybe a breakthrough call, and during this call, a salesperson tries to close you. It's a great funnel and we've used it a lot, and if you are in this B2B niche or if you're selling higher ticket products or coaching programs or services, it's worth to try it. Funnel number 6 is a giveaway funnel. This one works amazing when it comes to info products and e-commerce products, no matter if your audience is warm, hot, or very cold and they've never heard about you. It usually involves some kind of sign-up form on a landing page, then there's some kind of email sequence, and when announcing the winners, usually the company pushes some kind of a coupon code, some kind of a discount to all the other people who didn't win, and it leads to core product. I already mentioned this on another video, but for one of my e-commerce clients, this giveaway funnel is pure gold. Last but not least, funnel number 7 is pre-sale article funnels. Pre-sale article funnels is not my idea. I found it listening to Ezra Firestone and Smart Marketer courses and podcasts, and I actually like this funnel very, very much. This funnel usually starts with some kind of educational content, maybe a blog post, and it slowly leads towards a sale, probably towards an entry-level product, maybe not a core product, but it depends on your business. This funnel is very similar to lead magnet funnel, but in this case, you're not asking to enter an email address. Basically, this is the same funnel as lead magnet funnel, but without a sign-up form. It works very, very good on colder audiences who doesn't know you yet. All right, here we have 7 marketing funnels to launch or scale your online business. And no matter if you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, it's always worth trying out new funnels so your audience doesn't get bored. My goal with my clients is to always have 3 to 5 funnels working all the time. I never rely on just one funnel. You're probably thinking, okay, cool, but how do I get traffic to my funnels? Here's the video I made earlier about my 1 million traffic strategies, and in this video you'll get everything you need to know about filling your funnels with audience. If you're struggling with traffic, I recommend watching this video. Until next time, see ya!